welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am wearing a wig. I felt like doing something a little different because I don't know why, just because it seemed like a good idea. I ordered some new wigs the other day off of Amazon, and so I'm just wearing one of them right now. I know it's red and I'm wearing green, so it's kind of weird, but that's okay. Anyways, alright, so we are going to unbox my Boxy charm today. See what's in here and all that good stuff. I have been so terrible with keeping up with anything on social media, so I have no idea what's going to be in this, like at all. Like completely spaced it. And I also got it, I guess it's like mid-month, whatever. I got it, so we're going to open it, see what's in here. The excitement. I can get it open, maybe. Open. I have to figure out how to open this thing. 7 years later. Okay, we got it open. I love it. I don't know why. So this is Boxy and Chill. And this is like the little pricing. This is so cute. It doesn't open like it used to. So I got the High Performance Natural. Yeah. High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. I'm actually super excited to open this. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Look at those colors. Oh girl, I cannot wait to use this. That is so cute. Okay, so first thing is balm. That is $36. The next thing I got Don't Despair Hair Strengthening Moisturizing Leave-In Mask, so for your hair, and this is $16. We'll have to see if that works eventually. And then this is a black Ultra Luxe Longwear eye pencil from Starlooks. And this is $19. And the next thing in this box is from Ofra, and it's a long-lasting liquid lipstick in Havana Nights. It is very red. It would go with the wig I am wearing right now. This is $20. And last but not least is this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Mask. You get 2 of them, and these are $24. I love masks, so this is awesome. I can't wait to try this. I know everyone is like obsessed with Tatcha, so I'm super stoked to try this. I have their setting spray that I haven't used yet because I want to do first impressions with it, but I'm super excited to try these out. Alrighty, so we need the cellular device. Okay, so
16 plus 20 plus 36 plus 24 plus 19 is
115. So, as you guys, if you saw last month, I got the Luxe. It comes with like a whole lot more stuff in it. The retail value was like extremely high for the price, so that is like really good. We paid $21 for this box, and the retail value is like 1 something. It used to be like around 2 something, and then now the bigger box you pay $50, and it's around like 3 to 4. At least that's what my experience has been since I got the one I got. We will have to check that again in March, but it's definitely decreasing, which is weird to me. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. You should comment below and let me know if you've noticed that. Anyways, I feel weird with this wig on and like no makeup on, nothing, except I have like mascara and eyebrows. I am excited about this the most, and I'm most excited for these. Yep, should be exciting. And then I'll obviously try the leave-in. I've never heard of this brand, but if it's good, I love hair products, so I'm not even mad. I can't wait to try it. And then eyeliner, you can never have enough of, I swear. And lip color, same thing. You can never have enough lip colors. But yeah, I was imagining this box being pastel though, just because this is so like pastel-y. But I'm about it. I always love getting these Boxy charms. I just find it extremely odd that it keeps going lower and lower and lower. That's all. I just keep shrinking, so it's weird to me. But anyways, that is my Boxy charm unboxing for you guys. I will eventually do a try-on video, I swear. I have been so terrible at filming last year, but I'm getting better at it this year and more on top of it and all that good stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You should comment below. Tell me what you guys got in your box, or if you've noticed the decrease in price of everything. Or not, maybe it's just like me, but I'm pretty sure it's a thing. I'm pretty sure. This much sure. This much sure. I don't know. But yeah, enjoy the rest of your guys' day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!